Okay, I just want to do a quick video on how to hook up drippers, a different option. And this is normally your discharge cap to clean out your brewer, but you can hook up your dripper system to that. Then this here is your dial for your shutoff valve for controlling the flow that comes out of your spigot here. Okay, so if you damper this down, you're going to get more static pressure out of here. But the whole theory of this is to allow fluid to flow out of your brewer to increase the volume of tea you brew. So now you're brewing in two separate containers, increasing your volume from 5 gallons to, let's say, 15 gallons. Or you could just close this off completely, and then that way now you're just brewing in your 5-gallon bucket, and it will just static discharge out of your dripper system at that point. Just bear in mind too, all these parts are removable. There's nothing glued, and even internally too, all this stuff comes out and is removable. Here is the third option, is you could leave this like it is, leave your cap on there, and have this become your dripper system out to your dripper system. Okay, so there again, now you just be brewing inside your brewer, not into the other container. So you're just consolidating things. I would prefer going from here and then letting this dispense into the reservoir. I mean, it all depends, man, what you're looking for. But this is the great thing about this system. It's the flexibility of it all. Got a different tube I'm using too. The other tube was dry rotting, cracking. So now you got a better tube there for you as well.